Look at this detailed tutorial here on lemonade braid. Yes, the name of this braid is lemonade braid. Some people call it half up, half down hairstyle. And I also gave it a special name, which is braid hop, sorry, cornrow hop, braid down hairstyle. Yes, because the weave at the top is popularly known as cornrow, even though we all know it as weaving. Some persons know it as weaving, let me not say we all, while some persons know it as cornrow. So this is lemonade braid, and this is actually how you can style this braid without making any mistake, especially this particular style of it. And don't forget that for this particular style, you are doing it the stitch braids way also. Yes, so you should have it at the back of your mind that you're going to stitch the lemonade braid. I think that is where the beauty, the actual beauty of the hair lies in. I just wanted to keep watching. Let me say the benefit of the braid. The benefit of the braid is that you won't get to use too much extension. That's one benefit. Another benefit is that I would say it is protective in sense that it's not tiny and your hair is cut or is parted into reasonable sizes. It's not tiny, so it's kind of protective if you don't carry it for too long. Then another advantage is that you get to, you are good to go. You don't have to worry about styling it, worried about how to style your hair. If you're the type that don't like styling your hair all the time, just go for this braid. It doesn't have any styling paparazzi. It's just wake up, wear your bonnet, bath, wake up, go out. Just pour down your braids and go out. So those are the three advantages I can say for now about this braid. If you have any other advantage in mind about this braid, then you can let us know in the comment section. So if you want the stylist to make it for you, you can see her handle. Just check her out. If she's in your location, then you go to her to make it for you. All right, I'll see you in the next commentary video. From deep, deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every scratch you touch, there's